Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enter easy and correct way to enter the data. Here we can see that I have take some example like student name, student ID and GPA. So we have try like this. So one and then we can write Ali, then his ID and his GPA. So and then move the next cell and write 2 and then we can write like name Bilal and then we can type ID and then we can move the GPA. So it take time and more difficult to move to another cell to enter the name or some data in you about the student. So I have use a small command like this. First we can select your data or your sheet and then we can press alt D O and then OK. Here we can see that I have type here serial number. So here we can see serial number, student name, ID and GPA. Here we can see that they are right here. So you have type only the data like serial number 1. Here we can name like Ali. Here ID I have take some example like 2014 and GPA is 3.06. You can click next. Here we can see that they are added automatically. I have type one example like 2. The other student name is Bilal. Student ID is 2015 and his GPA is 3.21 and we can click next. We can also delete any of this. We can select or move the serial number 2 and click delete and then OK. Here we can see that they automatically delete the row. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.